Today, on Growing Up WPS, we're talking about counting and cardinality. Cardinality is knowing that when you count something, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, the last number is the total number in the group. So here, I know that I have 5 pencils. It's not that this pencil is called number 5. It's that the whole group, no matter in what order I count them, totals 5 pencils. It sounds simple to us adults, but it's a tricky concept for little ones to get, and it's important for understanding math. Today, we'll show you some ways to help your child understand cardinality using a favorite snack.
It's snack time! Grab a favorite bite-sized snack, goldfish, raisins, Cheerios, anything at all, and sit down with your child. Give your child a small pile of the snack and ask them to count them. As you start out, don't use more than 20.
Okay, can you count the goldfish for me?
1, 2, 3, 4.
Now ask how many there are total. Some children will want to count them again before answering, but the goal is for them to be able to answer without recounting.
So how many goldfish are there?
19.
Now here's the tricky part.
Awesome, can you show me 19 goldfish?
19.
Some children will show you the whole group that they counted because they know that the last number is the same as the total number in the group. But other children will simply point at the last item they counted and say that one is 19. They understand counting in order, but are still struggling to understand what the numbers truly mean. If your child struggles with this idea, be sure to explain that the last number represents the whole group, not just the last one. Then try the same exercise using a smaller number and see if their understanding has improved. When you're done, enjoy your snack.
Cardinality can be tricky for kids to understand, but it's so important as they begin doing more complex math. For more information and for other great tips, visit usd259.org/growingupwps. We'll see you next time.